to Cognitia Podcast.
The 12 key principles of project management and how to use them. Welcome to Cognitia's weekly podcast. This week, we will be exploring the 12 key principles of project management and discuss how to use them. But before we dive in, let's talk about why PMBOK is changing. Up until now, PMBOK has focused on waterfall project management methodologies. With the advancement of technology, competition is becoming more intense than ever. Product life cycles are typically shorter, and project requirements changes over time as project progresses. Considering traditional project management practices, it is unlikely that fast-changing project needs will be welcomed. To tackle this, PMP certification with all new PMBOK Edition 7 addresses the potential issues that can occur during a project lifecycle. The major shift in PMBOK 7th edition is the transition from process-based project management to principle-based project delivery. As a result, it enables all types of project delivery. Another notable difference in the shift in scope, which takes the project delivery in addition to project management. This method is more action-oriented. According to PMI, a project is temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. By temporary, we mean a project with a clear beginning and end. And project management is described as applying knowledge, expertise, tools, and procedures to project operations to achieve project goals. These principles serve as a general guideline on how to run things. They may not offer all the answers or show you exactly what to do, but they point you in the right direction. So, what are they? Let's dive in. Number 1. Stewardship. Be a diligent, respectful, and caring steward. To put it another way, follow the code of ethics to be a decent human. Treat your coworkers and clients the way you would like to be treated. Dozens of project managers complain about toxic work culture in which their effort and contribution are not acknowledged, not even appreciated. You can set a good example by being a good steward of a project. In that, other managers in the organization should follow suit. Create a collaborative team environment. Collaboration is what gets projects done. We are employing an increasing numbers of technological instruments to do our task, and the tools are growing better and better at assisting us if you know how to effectively utilize them. You need to know how to choose, set up, and utilize those tools while collaboratively working with the project team. Engage with stakeholders effectively. Collaboration only works if there are people to work with, so engaging stakeholders positively and constructively is critical to project success. Having a variety of approaches for engaging people that match their working style and type of output you are aiming for comes in handy. Focus on value. It is important to constantly evaluate the project's progress according to the economical goals established before the project, the intended benefits, and to take the necessary steps as needed. Recognize, analyze, and respond to systems interaction. A project can be referred to as a set of interrelated and interacting work areas. This principle bears some resemblance to integration management knowledge area in PMBOK 6. However, systems thinking is a comprehensive perspective that includes aspects both inside and outside of the project. To maximize the chances of success, the project team must define, assess, and respond to the dynamic traits around the project. Demonstrate leadership behavior. Effective leadership is an essential component in achieving favorable results. Any person and team can act as a leader when necessary. To be a successful leader, a person must be able to adapt to diverse conditions, identify variances in motivation within the team, and value honesty, integrity, and ethics. Tailor according to context. In PMBOK 6, the development method was formed as a result of process of creating a project management plan. But PMBOK 7 says that since each project is different, a development strategy should be established based on the project's requirements, These attributes include stakeholders, project leadership, project objectives, as well as surrounding environment. Ensure quality processes and deliverables. It is about making sure that project deliverables fulfill the set objectives and demands of consumers and that the prerequisites are satisfied. According to this rule, it is vital to pay close attention to whether project procedures are followed correctly and adequately addresses stakeholders' expectations. Successfully navigate project complexity. Every project varies in complexity. Everything connected with human behavior, uncertainty, inconsistency, and system reactions may lead to complexity. There is no certain time in project when the complexity becomes apparent. It can appear at any point throughout the project's development. This principle says that project's complexity should be regularly examined and navigated throughout the project. Optimize project's risk responses. According to this principle, both positive as well as negative risks should be analyzed constantly. The positive effects risk on project goals should be maximized, while the negative effects should be avoided. Embrace adaptability and resilience. A project team must always be able to adapt quickly and effectively to the changing situations. This is how adaptation works. On the other hand, resilience is the capability or capacity to rise after experiencing adversity and continue working after processing the impact. Enable change to achieve the projected future outcomes. Change in the project must be handled with caution. Stakeholders' participation will contribute to the implementation of necessary modification. Too many adjustments, on the other hand, may harm the project's outcomes. So, primary takeaway for these 12 principles is PMI's shift from a process-based approaches to a holistic, principle-based approach. Are you looking forward to PMP certification? Cognitia is here to help you. Learn PMP with Cognitia. We are one of the world's leading digital talent transformation companies committed to providing you and your team insightful digital technology training and certification programs. Cognitia's online PMP training explains the distinction between project management and operations management. Our PMP certification training intends to help professionals manage projects more effectively by utilizing the project management lifecycle. Learn and upskill yourself from comfort from your home with Cognitia's intuitive and comprehensive PMP training. With this, we end this week's episode. For more information, please visit our website. Stay tuned for more such informative sessions. Thank you.